on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. As you can see, we're right across from the lighthouse. We're also right next to 1000 North and Utiki. Today we're on Boston Whaler's 280 Vantage. Meet me in the back of the boat and we'll start this walkthrough. So the 280 Vantage is a great family boat, but it also has some fishing features. We're gonna go over all that in this video. Starting off the back, you're gonna see that this boat's optioned with the paint down the middle of the engines. This is actually the Abaco blue color that the hull is and underneath the hardtop. Very sporty, cool look. Moving forward, there's 3 rod holders in the back here. You can have them outside of the boat, as well as 2 more rod holders off of the hardtop. Now, in the cockpit area here, you have this bench seat that can fit 2 people across the back. Now you can also tuck this away and have more space when you're fishing. You have your bait well here over on the port side, as well as 1 rod holder on the port, 2 more on the starboard. On the port side, you have a dive door here, great for if you're pulling up to the sandbar, you want easy access on and off the boat, or even if you're just pulling up to a dock and you're docked up on the port side, you can open that up and easily get out. And moving forward, you have a seat on the right-hand side here with 2 cup holders tucked away. Right behind you, you have a fridge freezer combo. Great spot to keep your drinks cold. Right above that, you have your sink. Now this bench seat here, it's what they would call a 3-position lounger. You can either have an upright position at an angle like this, where you can sit aft, be leaning up against this, or you also lay it all the way down, lean up against this cushion right here, and you have 4 cup holders on the port side of this lounger as well. Speakers throughout the cockpit of the boat, as well as 2 more speakers up in the front, so it doesn't matter where you are on the boat, you're gonna be able to enjoy the music. Now coming up to the helm here, this captain's chair is bolstered, so whether you want to sit down and drive and have extra leg room, or if you like to stand and drive like I do, you can flip it up and have a little bit more standing space around here. There's an acrylic dash, the Simrad's integrated right into it, as well as your throttles here, joystick. With the joystick, you're gonna gain the skyhook feature, which is super nice. If maybe you're pulling up to a dock, you can put your fenders and dock lines out, you can hit that, it'll hold you in place. Or maybe you're waiting for a train bridge to open or some sort of bridge down here in Florida. You can hit that, it'll hold you in place, and you don't have to be sitting there playing with the throttles. It'll actually hold you there and fight the wind. You also are gonna get a heading hold here. You have your Simrad VHF, you have your JL audio volume control here, and all your switches, everything for the captains within arm's length. On the port side is your head. There's a magnet that's gonna hold this door open. It's actually extremely strong. You have your head and your sink a little bit farther over on your port. So there's a little storage compartment underneath the sink. Now, on windier days like today, if you want a little bit more protection, you can actually close the windshield, as well as this door right here. It can be fully sealed off. You can close the door, close the windshield. Then when you're sitting back here, you have a little bit of wind protection. And behind this door, it actually reveals storage compartment. Now this is one access for it. We're gonna show you another one here in a little bit. Up on the front, this is an option. This is the bow filler cushion here. It's gonna make it more of a sun pad where you can lounge across it. You can also remove this. You have a JL audio speaker on both port and starboard here. Another JL audio control, so that way you don't have to leave the bow If you and your friends are sitting up here enjoying the music, having a couple drinks, you don't have to go walk all the way back to the helm. You can just stay right up here and change the song. Now the other access point for that storage compartment's underneath the seat. You can just remove that cushion, lift up the hatch and spin it. That's going to reveal the storage compartment that has storage, dedicated storage for fishing poles. We also have the covers in there. Lastly, all the way forward, this is your access for your windlass, but not only that, you also have a beach boarding ladder up here. So if you have to go bow into the beach, it's going to give you another access point to get on and off the boat. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video today on Boston Whaler's 280 Vantage.